All right, my requested video is going to be on the Montana Jack. Montana Jack is made by PDT. It is a sickle scaler, and it is one of my absolute favorite instruments. You can see how skinny this instrument is. Now this instrument, it has a cutting edge, one on each side, just like a sickle scaler would, and it can be used on posterior teeth or anterior teeth. My favorite spot to use this instrument is on anterior teeth, where the teeth are extremely crowded and it's really tough to get that interproximal calculus. This is going to be that skinny instrument you're going to want to pull out to get that interproximal calculus. This video, I'm just showing you how to use it on posterior teeth. Now for posterior teeth, you're going to, in order to find the correct working end, you're going to line your terminal shank up right here, in between the teeth, straight up and down, and you're gonna see where the handle comes out. The handle should come out the anterior. That's how you know you have the correct end. The incorrect end, you can see here, I'm gonna line that terminal shank up, straight up and down, you see? And now the handle's coming out the posterior. Incorrect, okay? So how do you use this instrument? Remember, with a sickle scaler, we don't want to have that terminal shank straight up and down. For sickle scalers, you have to lean in just a little bit to be on your cutting edge. So that's how you'll use this instrument. So I'm going to get the distal, I'm going to be on the distal here, roll in, interproximal. Then I'm going to come out. I always usually like using an oblique stroke for this, but you can go straight up and down if you wanted to, but I tend to like to have like a little bit of an oblique stroke, okay? And then I'm going to roll in a proximal. Just remember, when you're rolling in a proximal, you're going to be leaning in on that tooth surface you're working on. Don't be straight up and down, or you're not going to be on your cutting edge. Lean in on that tooth surface that you're working on and go in between the teeth. If there's any stain or anything left over, go ahead and go back and grab it. Okay, so that's how you'll use this on the posterior teeth. This is a Montana Jack. It's an amazing instrument.